So we are going to continue on. We've got the database set up, but when I was in the books table I was going to do something, do the forms. I realised there was no supplier information, and that wasn't in the raw data, and the reason for that is because it was supposed to be a dynamically linked Excel. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to go external data, get an Excel sheet, but instead of just doing this, we're going to go link the data to the source. We'll locate that file, which is, I'll call that, we'll locate the file, which is there. I'll manually find it because if I copy paste, then I want to hold on to the and go. So first representation keys. So I have manually typed in a primary key, effectively. Yes, and I'll call it suppliers, finish. Yeah, let's look from there. Okay, so this now looks like a table, but my only issue is it's not a real table, because when I try and click, I'll update this. You can see this record is not updatable. So this is why we've got the sweet Excel icon. If I was to go to that file, and open it up, that's where I would actually have to do the modification for it. Oh, okay, so because the reason why it's going to be only is because it's currently in use here. If I close that, now it should behave in that non-Excel document, and this is supposed to be Don's books. Right, okay, and fix off there. Cool, so save that, go to access, and when I click it now, Don's books with the S missing. So you can show there is how that dynamic works. Okay, it's just supposed to close it or something. Right, now I need to get this linked in here. So I need to add a new field, which I'm going to basically link like this. So I want a primary key. So I will call it ID, something nice and practical. And paste, yeah, right, okay. So this paste is, because I'd entered this before, because I had recorded this before, and the computer ran out of, I hadn't plugged it in, ran out of power when it was rendering this video, so I lost everything. I had to do it all over again. So yeah, that's basically, I've just lined up the primary keys with the stuff here. So I close that, go into my relationships, design, show table, suppliers, and take suppliers here, and then supplier ID to supplier ID. I cannot click this table, just because the nature of this kind of table. So I'm going to create, yeah, cool, it'll create. But if we actually want to test, like, is that working? If we create a query, thank you, and I say, right, okay, so we'll get the books table and the suppliers, and I say, right, show me, the primary key for that, the title of the book, and I can say I need to show supplier ID and the supplier name, and contact person. So realistically, for each book I should have the corresponding supplier, which I do. And this looks all really odd, but that's because when I was manually entering it. when it was organised by ISBN, I just held down 1 and 2 or whatever. That's where I got most of it. So if I just sort this alphabetically and then go to the books table and sort that alphabetically, we've got 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, query 1, 4, 3, 1, 2. So there you go. So it is corresponding correctly to those things there. So it does actually is, the database still kind of reads most of that behavior. It just doesn't kind of get the full functionality. But it will still be able to do the queries and everything that you need it to do, but there's just a few things that you have to kind of do in a little bit of a fudge type format for some stuff, which was in the forms. So in the next video I'll show you a form using the books form being done, which has that supplier information and how that has to be worked around. Yeah.